All right, guys, here we are. We made it to Frankfurt, the Buffalo Trace. We're gonna check this out. I know we're just a couple of weeks past the big flooding event, so we're not gonna be able to do the tour we had originally booked, but no worries, we'll make the most of it. I'll show you a bit around the grounds, show you what we get to do today. Still super excited to be here. It is reservation only as of today, so it's April 26th, sorry. It's still reservation only, so they are checking reservations on the way in twice actually. They have a guy at the front and a guy before the parking lot to make sure you didn't sneak through. So if you are coming and you're recently coming, make sure you have your reservation on available.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
So that water line right above the exit sign is where the flood was just a few weeks ago. Just a few weeks ago. We were what? What do you call that, 10 feet?
Bricks below that.
At least 10 feet? Sorry. So visitor center's open. If you look up here, you can see the water line from the flood just a few weeks ago. I'd say that's, I hope that's coming through on video. It's at least 10, 12 feet up. So a couple of weeks ago, you guys were just selling bottles in here, right?
I'm not really for sure exactly what they were doing a couple weeks ago. Everything changed so fast. So, but now we're in the second floor of the gift shop for now.
Oh, nice.
Until the bottom half of the gift shop gets finished.
Nice. All right, making our way to the visitor center. You can see, sounds like production's back up and running from the steam and the noise. All right, so we're on the second floor of the visitor center now. While they're still renovating the downstairs after the flood.
Liquid cereal.
I'm too nice. Every man in the Thank you. So apparently we're going to be going all around the different tasting stations and then buying at the end. How we doing?
Good. You want to do a tasting?
You want to enjoy it?
Thank you.
Well, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, mate.
So, Denny started you off with rye bourbon. I'm going to move you on to wheat.
Let's get it. I don't need one, but everybody else.
Hello, come on over.
Oh, look at that.
This is good stuff.
Oh, okay.
Breakfast and root beer. Try each one on their own first.
Ooh, they mix them together.
Ooh.
Like a root beer float?
And then you're going to make a grown-up root beer float.
Nice.
And pour your root beer into your cream.
I'm okay with that. Thank you. I went to
But
sniff
the
it.
cream can be used in anything.
Putting out Blanton and Wellers today. So where we are today, again, April 26th, 2025. Recovery efforts are underway. The gift shop is open, albeit just on the second floor. We're still working on renovating the first floor, but we are able to come up here, go through our tasting, reservation only, and then purchase what they have available. Today for us was Weller and Blanton's, and of course regular Buffalo Trace and Bourbon Cream are on available every day, but they are back to doing jail, meaning the available items, you can only get it once every 90 days. So whatever you're gonna get is what you're gonna get. So your options are limited to what they have to offer. All right, well, that wraps up our stop at Buffalo Trace. Again, definitely a bit disappointing that we weren't able to do what we wanted to do with the tour, but that's no one's fault. That's Mother Nature's fault. But had a great time in the tasting room, the ability to taste everything, still have the option to buy. Like we said, today for us was Weller and Blanton's, so we were able to make that purchase. But just good to see them back up on their feet. You know, it was a really short-lived closure. The whole town, honestly, is rebounding quite well here in Frankfurt. We're off to do a few more stops today, but this was always circled on our list ever since we planned this trip to Kentucky 4 months ago. So again, not what we wanted to do. Really excited about the ability to see the distillery process, the old building, but you know, it just wasn't meant to be. This means we'll be coming back, but can't recommend enough. People are so kind and willing to help, get you what you want, and still support them. So again, April 26th, that's where we are today.